guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fishing at the Maumee River Dam. And we fished here before if you watched the later videos. Caught some nice catfish. You guys blew off one video, got 500 views and 10,000 impressions. Thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, we're going to be fishing at this river and we're about to go check it out. We brought my brother Chase, his friend Devin, and then my cousin, and then his friend. And the river is up there. This is like a channel. It's actually pretty good. Caught some nice bluegill. The river, and this is what it looks like. So the first time we came here, this is what it looked like. The second time, it was flooded completely. Like this was all water. So we're gonna be using night crawlers, guys, and a bobber. So let's stand on this rock. Let's cast out. Let's try to catch some channel cat. Fish on. Devin has one. What is it?
What?
Oh, big catfish. My God. That's a nice one. I don't think it's that big. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's let him go. Guys, so the park ranger just showed up. There he is over there. He says park's closing, so we're gonna leave. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. I'll see you in the next video. Later.